What if the stress is blocking the flow of energy in your body? Stress doesn't just affect your mind or emotions, but it also blocks the energy flow, creating a feedback loop. Blocked chakras prevent the energy flow, which in turn creates more stress. This vicious cycle can leave you feeling drained, unfocused, and even physically unwell. But here's the good news. There is a natural energy circuit in our body, and today I will show you how to unlock it using a powerful technique called Arohan and Avrohan Kriya. Stay with me till the end for the guided session to reset your energy and restore balance. Chakras are energy centers that run along your spine, each governing a different part of your well-being. When chakras are balanced, energy flows freely, leaving you calm, clear, and resilient. But when stress hits, whether it is from tough deadline, emotional strain, or unresolved trauma, then the energy gets blocked. Let's understand this from a heart chakra. A blocked heart chakra can lead to feeling of isolation and difficulty in trusting others, which in turn creates more emotional stress, blocking the energy flow further. Let us understand how stress affects the chakras. Root chakra or the Mooladhara chakra, when imbalanced, can create feeling of anxiety. You may feel unsafe and you may also experience some physical symptoms. Sacral chakra or Swadhisthana chakra governs emotions and creativity. When this is out of balance, then you may feel emotionally numb or uninspired. Solar plexus or Manipura chakra. Stress drains this chakra energy, affecting your confidence and making the challenges appear overwhelming. Our body has natural energy circuits called psychic circuits. Think of it like railway system with different chakras as stations. So when stress disrupts, it creates blockages. But the powerful techniques like Arohan and Avrohan Kriya helps to clear these blockages and ensures that energy flows freely. Arohan is ascendance of awareness from Mooladhara, Swadhisthana, Manipur, Anahat, Vishuddhi back to Bindu through Pran, and Avarohan is descendants of awareness from Ajya, Vishuddhi, Anahat, Manipur, Swadhisthana and back to Mooladhara. By practicing Arohan and Avrohan Kriya, you are not just unblocking your energy, but you are reclaiming your inner balance and peace. Let's now directly head to the practice. Take the most comfortable sitting position. Allow your eyelids to gently drop. Relax the whole body, but keep the spine upright. Breathe normally. Before we move ahead, we will take a quick recap. Arohan is ascendance of awareness starting from Mooladhara, from the front side of body till Bindu as you inhale. Avarohan is descendance of awareness through Ajya to Vishuddhi from the back side till Mooladhara as you exhale. Now as you move through these psychic passages, try to imagine that each center is a railway station and that your awareness is like a train that passes through them without stopping. If you wish, you can try to imagine that your awareness as a thin silver serpent traveling in an elliptical path within the body. We will practice 9 rounds of this. Remember, as you pass through each center, mentally say the name of the center. For example, from the front as you go to Mooladhara, say Mooladhara, Swadhisthana, Manipur, Anahat, Vishuddhi, Bindu. As you exhale, come to Ajya, backside Vishuddhi, Anahat, Manipur, Swadhisthana, Mooladhara, like this. Now, we will begin the practice. Adjust your body. Make sure that spine is upright. Fix your gaze at Mooladhara, which is the trigger point. Bring your awareness to your breath. Take a deep breath here and let go. Now as you inhale, say Mooladhara, Swadhisthana, Manipur, Anahat, Vishuddhi, Bindu. Exhale, Ajya, Vishuddhi, Anahat, Manipur, स्वादिष्ठान मूलाधार. Inhale, स्वादिष्ठान मणिपुर अनाहत विशुद्धि बिंदु. Exhale, आज्या विशुद्धि अनाहत मणिपुर स्वादिष्ठान मूलाधार. Inhale, स्वादिष्ठान मणिपुर अनाहत विशुद्धि बिंदु. Exhale, आज्या विशुद्धि अनाहत मणिपुर स्वादिष्ठान मूलाधार. Inhale, स्वादिष्ठान मणिपुर अनाहत विशुद्धि बिंदु. Exhale, आज्या विशुद्धि अनाहत मणिपुर स्वादिष्ठान मूलाधार. Inhale, स्वादिष्ठान मणिपुर अनाहत विशुद्धि बिंदु. Exhale, आज्या विशुद्धि अनाहत मणिपुर स्वादिष्ठान मूलाधार. Inhale, स्वादिष्ठान मणिपुर अनाहत विशुद्धि बिंदु. Exhale, आज्या विशुद्धि अनाहत मणिपुर स्वादिष्ठान मूलाधार. Inhale, स्वादिष्ठान मणिपुर अनाहत विशुद्धि बिंदु. Exhale, आज्या विशुद्धि अनाहत मणिपुर स्वादिष्ठान मूलाधार. Inhale, स्वादिष्ठान मणिपुर अनाहत विशुद्धि बिंदु. Exhale, आज्या विशुद्धि अनाहत मणिपुर स्वादिष्ठान मूलाधार. Inhale, स्वादिष्ठान मणिपुर अनाहत विशुद्धि बिंदु. Exhale, आज्या विशुद्धि अनाहत मणिपुर स्वादिष्ठान मूलाधार. Inhale, स्वादिष्ठान मणिपुर अनाहत विशुद्धि बिंदु. Exhale, आज्या विशुद्धि अनाहत मणिपुर स्वादिष्ठान मूलाधार. Now stay there with awareness of the breath and see the peace, the calmness taking over you. All your energy centers balanced. Hari Om Tat Sat, Hari Om Tat Sat, Hari Om Tat Sat.